Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2016 Chevrolet Corvette Z51 2LT in shark gray on adrenaline red leather interior. So I'll just start over at the rear of the vehicle. We'll let you have a look at the trunk area. So nice sized carpeted area here in the trunk on the Corvette. There is a cargo net here in the front and storage down below. We've got the fuel filler tube and the original brake cooler sealed, so that's great. We've got the privacy netting, so there's one piece there. There's the second piece up top. We'll go ahead, we'll close the trunk lid here. It does have soft close, so I just press, it pulls itself shut. We've got the nice Z51 carbon flash metallic rear spoiler here. Looks great. We've got the chrome badge package, we've got LED tail lights, and we've got the NPP performance exhaust. So on the exhaust, the two outer ports have dampers on them that open and close electronically to make the exhaust louder or quieter based on the setting on the car. So we'll shift around here. Here's your rear wheel. We've got the nice black Z51 wheels. We've got red Corvette calipers, nice painted rotors, and Michelin tires on there. Over at the passenger side, we've got the nice red baseball stitching. We've got the red accent for the armrest. We've got power locks, power windows, electronic door release, and a 10-speaker premium Bose stereo. So I'll just show you the kick plate here on the passenger side. It's in really good shape, as you can see. There's one little mark right here, which is expected with the age, but overall really good shape. We've got our power seat, power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustments. And I'll just go ahead and scan up this seat so you can see the condition. Looks great. So as we get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and tidy. We'll check out the glove box. We've got the wheel lock key and we've got the original books there, so that's great. Over here we've got heated and cooled seat control for the passenger temperature display, and passenger temperature control. Along the bottom you've got red baseball stitching as well as on the upper. Have a look at the condition of the dash. Looks good. So let's hop out and we'll close this side up. All right, I'm just going to step to the back of the vehicle and we'll scan along this side so you can see the condition. And I'll just stop here at the front wheel. So there it is. Again, nice black Z51 style wheels, red painted calipers, painted rotors, and nice Michelin tires. Also at the front, you've got the carbon flash metallic vent, and we've got the chrome Stingray logo. Under the hood, we've got the V8 6.2 liter motor, which is 460 horsepower, and that's paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. So as you can see, it's nice and clean and tidy under here. With the Z51, we do have the dry sump oil system here in the corner. You also have the rear diff cooler and transmission cooler. As you can see at the front, we've got the cables here for the front struts. So it does have the electronic magnetic ride control. So you can control the firmness of the ride. So there's your hood blanket, and it's got the embossed Corvette logo in it as well. So we'll go ahead, we'll close the hood and we'll move around to the front. Here it is from the front. So as you can see, the front end's in really good shape. We've got the black housing projector headlights with HID bulbs, LED turn signals, LED daytime running lights. We've got the nice chrome front piece here, followed by the front curve view camera. So there's one curve view camera there, and there's one over here. On the front here, you've also got the carbon flash metallic for the vent. So in terms of issues here, we'll just have a close look, see what we can point out. So for stone chips, there's one little mark right here. It doesn't look like it's through the paint, but it is there. And there's a couple little tiny ones here on the front that have been touched up. Some are too small to touch up. I'm not sure if you can see that in the camera, but they're the size of a pinhead. And there's a couple more just over here, right? Outside of that, it looks fantastic. So we'll continue on. Oh, there's one here just to share with you there. And we'll continue on. Here's your other front wheel. So again, nice high gloss black wheels, red calipers, painted rotors, nice Michelin tires, and same thing back here. Awesome. So we'll move on to the driver's side. So again, we've got that nice red baseball stitching. We've got our Bose 10-speaker stereo. We've got our power locks, our power windows, 2-user programmable memory with a programmable exit button, electronic door release, and looks great. So I'll just show you the kick plate here on the driver's side. So this one is brand new. It's still got the protective cover on it. So that's great. And for the power seat, you got power 4, aft, up, down, power reclined, lumbar and side bolster adjustments. And I'm just going to go ahead and scan up this seat so you can see the condition. Awesome. So as we get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and tidy, and we'll get in, we'll fire this one up. So there we are. So in terms of kilometers, we have 30,917. No warning lights or issues there on the dash. Over on this side here, we've got our cruise control buttons. Below that is favorites or track change for the radio. On this side, you got volume controls. And then above that, we've got our arrow keys. The arrow keys work the dash. That gives us info, performance, audio, phone, nav, and options. Above that is telephone hang up, telephone answer, and voice command. Above that, we've got paddle shifter plus and minus. And we've got nice baseball stitching inside the steering wheel as well. Over here we've got power mirror control, heads up display. So I'll turn off the headlights here for a moment and we'll brighten this up. So there it is. So you got your speed displayed right on the windshield, and you can cycle through what information you'd like to display as well. So again, that's these buttons right here. And then inside here we've got power tilt and telescopic steering column. Below you've got trunk release and motion alarm on and off. Over on this side here you got your push button start, and then we've got our touch screen. So for the touch screen, you got behind screen storage with a USB. If I put it in reverse, we've got a backup camera. If I put it in forward, we've got the front curb view cameras there as well. You got nav, so there's your full factory navigation. Projection is Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. PDR, so you got performance data recorder, so you can record track times and things like that. And then down here we've got our dual zone climate control. So here's the driver's side temperature, and currently the two zones are synced together. And then I've got my heated and cooled seat for my driver, and secondary controls for the passenger. Nice Corvette Stingray nameplate. There's your 8-speed automatic shifter, leather wrapped boot with red baseball stitching. Electronic parking brake right here, and then our mode selector. So when we twist the mode selector, we get touring, sport, track, and we'll go back around weather, eco, and back to touring. So that's the drive modes. You got your cup holders and your 12-volt socket, and then in here we have 2 USB ports, auxiliary line in, and a 12-volt socket. Frameless auto dimming rearview mirror with OnStar, garage door home link buttons, and then above we have the transparent removable glass targa top. So that's great. So now we'll just hop out with it running. We'll have a look and a listen. Nice spark to it. So I'll just show you here from the front with the headlights on. There it is, nice bright headlights. And we'll move along this side of the vehicle so you can see the condition. Nice looking car. I love the shark gray. It's one of my favorite colors. Here it is from the back. Nice rumble to the exhaust. And there you have it, folks. 2016 Chevrolet Corvette Z51 here and available at monroemotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.